again, boys, with a trade recap, and we've got a B2B trade recap today as well because we hit 2 trades yesterday. And it's almost like I'm only posting the wins, but I swear down I'm just not losing recently. Let's get up my recent last 2 weeks. Oh, the cam is gone. Let's put the cam back. This has been... Okay, I didn't post this nat gas loss because... Why didn't I post that? I don't remember why I didn't post it, but I got a nat gas loss. Here's full transparency for like last 2 weeks or so. Been running pretty decent, mate. Running pretty fucking decent. We're on a heater right now. Literally just generated like fucking 12R almost in the last 4 trades. So all the accounts are doing pretty well, as you can imagine. But we're going to go through those trades today. As I told you, I'm now going to be doing trade recaps for all my trades. So if the next trade is a loss, yeah, of course I'll post it, mate, of course. You guys need to see the reality of trading. There are losses. Of course there are. But we're going to start with the NAS 100 trade first, and I'm going to snap it back to replay tool as we got entered, just so you can see the higher time frame bias situation when we were filled. Boom, we'll put that here. Okay, so starting off on the daily, as you boys know. Let's blank this off here. So daily time frame, we're looking at the last 5 candlesticks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What can we see? Clear bullish bias on the daily. I mean, look at the size of these candlesticks. Look at the volume presented. Look at the type of candlestick that we're running. Bullish volume all the way up. Sweet. Started low, ended high. Easy stuff. Then going over to the 4 hour, looking for significant highs and significant lows, as you boys know. I was doing some annotation for the Discord earlier, for the VIP boys. So let me just wipe this off so I can do a fresh one for you guys here on the YouTube. So what have we got? Easy 1, 2, 3. Spotted here. 1, 2, 3 significant lows, sorry, and then 1, 2, 3 significant highs. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bullish on the 4 hour. Now let's go on to the 1 hour. As you can see, some people might be like, oh, it's going to be bearish. 1, 2. Doesn't look bearish to me, mate. We had 1, 2, 3 on the lows. Sure. Okay, but what is our minimum definition? 1, 2, 3 on the lows, 1, 2, 3 on the highs. If we only have one side, then we're not fucking bearish, mate. I've had enough of people going, oh, no, I'm not going to take this because I'm waiting for it to go bearish. We only need one more high. Okay, but what about if volume comes up and makes a high? Then you don't need fuck all, mate. Honestly, baffles me, bro. But anyway, focusing on the 1 hour, what have we had? 1, 2, 3 on the high side. I mean, on the low side, apologies. Then 1, 2, 3 on the high side. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. So taking buys on the lower time frame, which means that we're looking for what? Previous session lows to get taken, mate. As you can see here, previous session lows were taken out right there. Then what are we looking for? Fake out. We're looking for a fake out. Now let's bring it back to exactly where we were in this moment so we can show you where the fake out was. As you can see, right, this is a unique situation. The candle that took liquidity actually was a bullish candle because it wicked it. So in that case, we would have had already our requirement to draw the fake out zone because we just need a bullish candle after the sweep. The fake out zone did turn out, and I'll crank it back a little bit more actually. The fake out zone did turn out to be bigger than the bullish candle. So in this case, we have to manually draw it just a little bit below that candle close so it has room to fake out. Then as you can see, price came up, straight back down, tapped the fake out zone. So now we're waiting for our break of structure to the upside because we're betting on the market going up. We got that right here, as you boys can see. Break of structure to the upside. Then fib tool on the whole move, waiting for us to get tapped in the Goldilocks zone, which we did right there. And then we just set and forget. We were ricketing around here, but we did get filled for TP on the ACG here, and then on the top steps here. And then let's show a bit of proof for you boys. I'll show you the top step stats that we're running here. Recently just been printing on this bad boy. So that was the Nasdaq trade yesterday for the top step. It says 9 trades, but that's just because I'm placing it 9 times to fill out the contracts and stuff. So there's the proof of entry, mate. We did also get filled on ACG as well. Okay, but moving over to the next trade because NASA's done now. CHFJPY. We're chefing around on a JPY piece today. Gonna run through the bias. Same again. Same exact thing again. Let's do the entry first because I've got it already set up right here and it's already at good timing. So we were bearish in this case and I will show that in just a moment, but we'll just show the entry first. Taking out Asian highs, okay, because we're betting on the market going down, so looking for highs. Then the first bearish candle formed right here. So what do? Fake out zone. Previous session versus current session. Boom. As you can see, I drew this little grey box to signify that. And then we mark the fake out zone on the first bearish candle. The next candle tapped the fake out zone immediately. So now all we're waiting for is a break of structure to the downside, which we get right here. Okay. Then fib tool on the whole move. Set and forget. And ended up filling us for TP. There we go. 3R. Boom. But regardless, let's now go over to the higher time frame stuff. We'll start on the 1 hour this time. We'll go backwards. What have we had? 1, 2, 3. Significant highs getting lowered. 1, 2, 3. Significant lows getting lowered. Go on the 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go on the daily. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. What have we had? Massive bullish volume down, creating nice gaps. We ended up lower than we started. That in combination for me, bearish on the daily. So yeah, that is the CHFJPY piece. And what I will do, as I do with most videos, hold on a second. We are going to give a shout out to a Discord member today, as per usual. And this Discord member is actually quite new. I'm going to give a shout out to 2 Discord guys. And they are new guys, but they're showing the passion, and I actually rate their work ethic and mindset and the way that they're approaching the model so far. So I thought it's just more than fair to get them up on the screen today. So let's scroll through here. Where are these boys at now? Here we go. Guap. He's new. Such a good mindset for learning the model. He's really hands-on. He's asking the right questions. He's not being weird as well about it. Like, not just, like, I don't know how to explain it, but some guys that newer to the model that are coming in, they're just expectations and their mindset, everything's all wrong. But anyway, Guap, honest legend coming in. And if you're watching this, Guap, mate, I really like the value that you're adding to the community so far, really getting yourself involved in the chats. A lot of people just join and lurk, but these guys are getting involved, and that's the main reason I'm shouting them out today, because I want to inspire other people. Just get involved in the Discord, bro. Don't be afraid to type messages in chat. Don't think anyone's going to judge you for whatever reason. Like, as you can see, so many back and forths. Everyone's helping each other out. And this guy here, Samuel, he told me his name was Samuel. Same exact reason as Guap, mate. You guys are just coming in with confidence, and I just rate it, bro. And I think you're going to do so well with the model, mate. So there's the shout outs for today's video. As you boys know, if you want to join the Discord, link is in description. It will take you to my website where I've got a video on how to trade the model, and then under that there's a link to join the free Discord through the WAP and stuff. If you want to find out how I can help you, you know how to do it, mate. I'm not going to keep reminding you guys every video. But peace, love and unity. I'll see you in the next one, boys.